All right, switching gears now. Your following contest is a 6-man tag team match. And your official in charge of this contest, Red Wiggles. Introducing first.
Switching gears, we're gearing up for 6-man tag team action. Now, we spoke a little bit about Los Suavecitos earlier in the night. Johnny Robbie, who was also associated with them, was in action, stealing the victory for her team.
And their opponents.
Los Suavecitos have cleared the ring as the Motor City Machine Guns make their long-awaited return here to West Coast Pro, holding up the Impact World Championship and the X Division title as well. Sabin and Shelly, tag team excellence personified. The last time we saw them, I mentioned this a little bit earlier tonight, they defeated West Coast Wrecking Crew. But tonight they are back, and it is for trios action, and they have quite a partner alongside of them. Someone you may have heard a little bit about this guy. I don't know, flies a little under the radar. The Motor City Machine Guns taking on Los Suavecitos, who are of course representing SoCal and have been since they invaded West Coast Pro months ago. But Ultimo Dragon, no stranger to NorCal wrestling. He actually is the current Pro Wrestling Revolution heavyweight champion, a title that he has held for many years. Pro Wrestling Revolution, of course, a longtime partner alongside West Coast Pro in bringing you events here in the San Francisco area. But now we have Motor City Machine Guns and Ultimo Dragon teaming up to take on Los Suavecitos, Ricky G, Danny Rose, and another SoCal mainstay in Adrian Quest. Ultimo Dragon taking his time getting in the ring, getting up close and personal with all the fans here on the coast. And it has been an incredible night here at West Coast 5, and we are just getting started the second half of our big 50th anniversary show. I am Maida Scott. Thank you for joining us here. As now, Los Suavecitos continue to pace at ringside. It looks like maybe Adrian Quest stepping into the ring. No, wait, they're all, okay. Trying to figure out who's gonna start out here. Looks like maybe we got Alex Shelley, seems ready to go for his team, as well as Adrian Quest. Quest seems very unimpressed with the current Impact World Champion, Alex Shelley. Instead, is asking that Ultimo Dragon be tagged in. And it looks like Shelley's gonna oblige Dragon. Headed inside the ring. Tensions are high. Quest maybe regretting his insistence that Ultimo Dragon get in the ring. Right to a lockup, and immediately Ultimo Dragon snatching the headlock. Quest has to figure out a way to get out of this. Looks to push Dragon up, but no! Still holding on to the headlock and grinding down on the temple. Once again, Quest trying to free himself. Oh, and eats a huge tackle. Ultimo Dragon just too quick. Arm drag to take down Quest. And another. Keep in mind, Adrian Quest asked for this. And a back elbow finally takes down Ultimo Dragon to a chorus of boos. Well, Quest gets caught. And the head scissors takes him down. Adrian Quest looks flustered, frustrated, and who can blame him? Ultimo Dragon still standing tall. Maybe, sounds like maybe we're gonna get an attack here. Chris Sabin, X-Division champion, on his way in. And are we gonna get an attack in the Suavecitos corner as well? All right. Danny Rose. Extremely vocal competitor is Rose, as Sabin looking for the knuckle lock. Suavecitos just maybe a little too easily riled up. They know that they are not the favorites here in NorCal, not at all. And that's a little bit more of what I expected. Now, Rose lacing the fingers and trapping Sabin in position. Continuing to talk trash, but Sabin manages to get the headlock. Rose breaks out and eats a tackle for his troubles. Sabin takes off. Whoa, under the legs. Chris Sabin with the drop kick, and once again, Rose goes down. Sabin now waiting on Danny Rose, who swooping through, rolling into a pin. Just a 1 count, but Rose with the hook kick, and Sabin goes down. Back to his feet, but there was a tag. Alex Shelley is legal, and now we see once again just the incredible cohesiveness of the Motor City Machine Guns. Ricky G trying to make the save. Here comes Quest. Oh, but he gets caught as well. Oh! And tossed to the outside. Sabin and Shelley standing tall, and now it's Shelley and Danny Rose.
5 minutes gone, 5 minutes gone.
Now, I don't think Sabin and Shelley necessarily have a dog in the fight when it comes to the NorCal-SoCal wars here. However, they are taking on Los Suavecitos, so I guess they're honorary sons of San Francisco for tonight. Shelley takes off, and oh, come on! Ricky G with the assist and the tag. Whoa! Rolling through, sunset flip into a kick. And Quest with a running shooting star. There was another tag. Quest is legal. Quick tags on both sides here. Sabin here to make the save for his partner, but oh! Springboard into a crossbody. One Suavecito using another as a weapon, and now looking to get rid of Ultimo Dragon. The Suavecitos really soaking it in. But they have managed to fully isolate Alex Shelley. Adrian Quest dragging Shelley over into his corner, and there was a tag. Ricky G, oh, kick to the spine. And now grinding down on the chin lock, and this is where we're gonna see Los Suavecitos at their best. Quick tags, managing to fully isolate Alex Shelley, who's doing what he can to try to fight his way out. You can see he's got eyes on Sabin, eyes on Ultimo Dragon, eyes on that tag he needs to make. Oh, but wait a second, G landed. He might have landed bad. Oh! Just like that, Sabin and Shelley taking advantage and tying him up. Oh! Ricky G in trouble. And now the numbers game has turned. Ricky G sent into the corner of Sabin and Shelley. Chris Sabin tagging in. And now the machine guns go to work. Ricky G perhaps showed his cards a little too early. They know he hurt that leg. Sabin hooking him into position. Oh, and onto the hamstrings, the knees, all sorts of very essential leg parts. Hooking the toe to keep G in position, and now the tag Ultimo Dragon is in the ring. And seamlessly taking control. Ricky G is all tied up. Whoa. Whoa. Ow! Sabin and Shelley guarding. Navarro special cinched in. This could be it. Ricky G might have to tap out. And the fans here are encouraging Ricky to give up. They would love to see him tap out to Ultimo Dragon right now. But watch out. Adrian Cuestas needed to sneak in the other side and pulling his partner over to the ropes. Ricky G managing to break the submission, give the assist to Adrian Quest, but now relentlessly Alex Shelley right back on the knees, the legs, the hamstring. Oh, and Shelley cinching on a figure four. Quest trying to break it up, but gets caught by Sabin. Figure eight here. Ultimo Dragon. Submission of his own. Everyone is all tied up and in big trouble. Referee wiggles, trying to figure out, is anyone submitting? Dragon rubbing the elbow into the rib cage. And Danny G, who as a reminder is legal, made it to the ropes. Ultimo Dragon looking to hold that submission for as long as possible. And in all of the chaos, Ricky G still isolated, unable to make the tag. Again, zeroing in on that leg. Ricky doing whatever he can. Trying to roll Shelley through. Quick roll up, and it also managed to create a little distance, but no, Shelley immediately right back, and an enziguri catches him in the back of the head. Ricky trying to crawl for the tag, and there it is. Danny Rose has finally gotten back into the ring. And now taking it to Alex Shelley. Also managed to knock Sabin and Dragon off the ring. Super kick to Shelley. And just like that, Danny Rose might have turned this around for Los Suavecitos. Ricky G had to get out of this match. Shelley gets the boot up. Double boot, and Shelley trying to keep this opening as Rose, oh, gets caught face first into the turnbuckle. Can Shelley make the tag? Sabin is ready, hand extended, there it is. Chris Sabin is legal. Danny Rose stumbling into a missile dropkick. And there was another tag on the side of Los Suavecitos. Ricky G back in for his partner. Combination of strikes and a knee to the nose of the X Division champion. Blue Thunder bomb. Wait, Sabin. Oh, that was close. Chris Sabin manages to kick out, but he's clutching the back of his head as Danny G makes the climb all the way up top. Danny G second rolls out of the way. And here we go. Wait, rolling Saban into Shelly. Saban charges, but up and over goes Danny G. Watch out for Los Suavecitos. Too quick. Nailing the Bulldog. And watch out, Adrian Quest. Frog splash across the ring, and there was a tag. Quest is legal. Almost impossible to keep track of the quick tags here, and I think that is part of the strategy of Los Suavecitos. Just create confusion, as now they team up on Alex Shelley. Danny Rose eats the elbow. Saban with the boot. Saban up on the second rope. Up and over goes Saban. And there's the tag. Ultimo Dragon finally legal again, and now he is taking it to all three. Los Suavecitos are in big trouble now. Dragon is fresh. Big back elbow. Scooping behind. Adrian Quest takes the waist, but Dragon fights his way out, sending Quest into his own partner. Big back body drop. Ultimo Dragon laying waste to Los Suavecitos. Ultimo Dragon, eyes locked on Adrian Quest. Wait a second. Rose and G back inside. So is Alex Shelley. Shelley trying to trap Rose in the corner once again. Oh, and a big-time ace crusher by Chris Saban.
Let's go.
We are in deep waters here. Hold on a second. Here we go. Dream sequence by the Motor City Machine Guns. As they call for Ultimo Dragon. The Maestro to Adrian Quest.
Here are your winners, the Motor City Machine Guns and Ultimo Dragon.
Motor City Machine Guns making their long-awaited return here to West Coast Pro, picking up the victory thanks to their partner Ultimo Dragon. Los Suavecitos handed a loss. And I gotta say, couldn't happen to nicer guys. Los Suavecitos, oh, that's a shame to see them lose right here. Show of appreciation for Ultimo Dragon. And truly, West Coast 5, our 5th anniversary here on the coast, has been such a showcase of the past, present, and future of professional wrestling. The best and the brightest going toe-to-toe with absolute legends. And we still have a whole lot more action for you coming up. And again, it's hashtag West Coast 5. So let us know what you think about this incredible just roster of talent we have assembled.